Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable color filters and adjust white balance on iOS 18. To do it, go to Settings, then go to Accessibility and Display and Text Size. Here you can increase the contrast, differentiate without color, enable differentiate without color, enable smart invert, enable classic invert, go to color filters to enable color filters and enable one of them and change its intensity. Here you can view the table of colors. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.